Introducing the OnePlus Nord CE 5G in the color Blue Void. The smartphone comes in two color variants of Blue Void and Charcoal Ink. You will get 8GB of RAM that allows you to do heavy multitasking easily. All your storage requirements are taken care of by 128GB of UFS 2.1 internal storage. The smartphone supports dual nano SIM connectivity along with dual 4G support or single 5G plus 4G support. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G flaunts a 6.43 inches fluid AMO LED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The panel has 90Hz refresh rate and 410 ppi pixel density. You can unlock the device with your fingerprint or face. The smartphone features a triple rear camera setup with 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel camera. The main camera supports 4K video recording at 30 fps and 1080 pixels recording at both 30 fps and 60 fps. You can take high-quality selfies with the 16 megapixel front camera that also supports 1080 pixels video recording at 30 fps and 60 fps. The smartphone runs on Oxygen OS based on Android 11. Powered by MediaTek Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G 5G octa-core processor and Adreno 619 GPU, this OnePlus smartphone allows you to do seamless multitasking and perform heavy gaming without any hassle. The 4500 mAh battery ensures that your smartphone offers long-lasting usage. You will also get Warp Charge 30T Plus fast charging that can boost up your phone from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. The box includes OnePlus Nord CE 5G, Warp Charge 30T power adapter, Warp Type-C cable that supports USB 2.0, phone case, pre-applied screen protector, SIM tray ejector, welcome letter, brand sticker, Red Cable Club membership card, quick start guide, safety information and warranty card, highest SAR value and plastic recycling card. This product comes with standard brand warranty.